Hi guys! Kwentuhan tayo for today. And today kasi I'm going to try and curl my eyelashes. I'm gonna practice para marunong talaga ako. So that I can get more beautiful. Charot! I'm already beautiful the way I am. Kailangan ko lang i-practice to kasi sometimes natatakot ako dito.
Count 1 to 20.
Takot ako kasi kailangan ko mag-blink.
Tanggalin mo pag feel mo mag-blink.
Okay. Parang wala naman, guys.
Yan na, meron na.
Oh my gosh, wait lang, guys.
See?
Now, gagawin ko tong pang eyelashes. Anong tawag nga dito?
Mascara.
Mascara, guys. Ito, hindi ako natatakot dito kasi
Ang ganda.
I know, right? Wow. Sa tingin nyo, guys, maganda. Of course naman. Guys, kung gusto nyo magpaganda, try nyo to. Sometimes magluluha yung mata nyo dito, but beauty is pain and pain is beauty.
Yan ang sinasabi na tiis ganda.
Habit lang yan.
Lapit mo dyan.
Anong tingin nyo, guys? Did I do a good job?
It's like artificial eyelashes already.
I'm not AI.
It's not AI. Di ba merong extension?
I don't need extension kasi maganda na. Okay, guys. Final results. Anong tingin nyo? It's not that long or noticeable, pero maganda naman in my opinion. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye!